All right, boys, let's go. 2018 Ford Fusion oil change. I'll pull my little dipstick up a little bit, ventilate the cap, and then up in the air we go. Be careful with those jack stands at home. All right, now that we're got that vehicle raised up in the air, come on a little journey with me. You see this big cover right here for aerodynamics that gets damaged all the time because people hit curves? We gotta take that down. So I got my cordless ratchet here with 10 millimeter on it. We'll go around it. And then for some unknown reason, you're gonna need a T30 Torx bit for the two side ones. I'm not gonna take the other side one off though. That's what we're just gonna simply hang from. Getting dripped down by the snow. Yay. Let's set all this stuff to the side. Now we can access our filter and our drain plug. Right here's our filter. Oh, that one's gonna come off easy for us. Let's go. No oil filter wrench needed today. Must not have went to Jiffy Lube. Let that start draining. Right there. Don't forget to spill just a couple drops on yourself. Yeah, that's good oil. We got a 15 millimeter and our 3/8 ratchet. If you need a bigger ratchet, you're not a real man. There we go. That's loose. Scooch this guy over, put it on the floor. That's the oil filter, oil catcher. We'll grab our bigger oil catcher and good stuff. Try not to spill too much. Steady on target. Careful. Only spilled a little. Let's go. Let's let her all drain out. Be right back. Let's see. I think you can't see the oil filter. Let me get you a better look at that guy right down there. It's in the front of the engine, right there. Bada boom. Get you a better look. She's still draining, and that's okay. I don't mind getting oily today. Nothing like some carcinogens in the morning. And then wipe off your sealing surface and make sure the old gasket came off with the filter. Grab some of that nice used oil and put it on the sealing surface of your new oil filter. Once this is done dripping, we can slap that bad boy back up in there. Oil filter housing is drained. We're going to spin that filter on, make sure it spins on like nice and smooth like butter. No cross threading. Grab a hold of it, it stops. Give it about another quarter turn after it stops spinning like butter. Two hands, tighten. That's tight. Go ahead, give any excess oil a little wipe down, a little spray down with brake cleaner, and we're still waiting for the rest of the oil to come out of here. Looks like Java Mocha. All right, time to put our oil drain plug, whatever thingamajigger back in. Your torque spec, if you're curious, is 21 foot-pounds on this, or you can just go into your elbow pops gently one time, whatever you want to do. Right there, I heard the pop. We're good. Wipe it off, shine it. There we go. Now it's time to put this annoying cover back on. We'll just grab all the 10 millimeter bolts. Yeah, might as well grab the Torx while we're at it. Why not? Why? We're not about exclusion around here. Line the Torx up with the colored shiny dude. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. There's about to be water on my light and camera. Let's back her off. There we go. That's better. Start jamming all your bolts into the holes. Things aren't quite lined up in
anymore on this vehicle.
It'd be like that. Oh, and that gets you zipping. See how that one doesn't tighten up after so many oil changes? The plastic, nylon, composite, whatever inserts, they just wear out over time. It happens. It's not meant to be taken off and put on a bunch of times. Can you imagine that?
Yeah, they just all just spin in there.
Except for the two metal ones. Make things out of metal and they actually last, huh? Oh, that one's still grabbing. Or maybe somebody torqued them too hard in the past, whatever. That's as good as she gets. Let's bring her down. All right, now that she's back on the ground, put your funnel in there. 5.7 quarts, 5W20, full synthetic. I prefer Valvoline. This Parts Master and Napa brand comes right from Valvoline. It's just repackaged and sold as a, cheaper oil, because there's plenty of oil in the world. And yeah, don't believe me, right on the back, Valvoline. Go ahead and get your 5.7 quarts in there. Push your dipstick down, put your cap on, go through the menu settings, reset oil change life if you want to do that. And we're done. Catch you later.